Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got another exciting collaboration for you guys. This video is in collaboration with Jafnin over in DewDropArt. I'll leave the link to her channel and also the video that she's done for this collaboration in the description box below, and make sure you check her out. She's so lovely, and we've been trying to plan this for a long time and we've had setbacks and all that, so we finally managed to get it uploaded, and I think you should definitely go and check out her channel because she's amazing. So this video is, well, this collaboration is what we're going to be like as Hogwarts students. Now, I'm 25, my time for Hogwarts has long since passed. I haven't been in school in a very long time, so this was a bit of a challenge for me because I've always dreamt about going to Hogwarts. I mean, who doesn't as a kid? But yeah, my time has long since passed, so this was quite funny. But I have done my Pottermore quiz and I am a Slytherin. I always have been, probably always will be a Slytherin. So this is my kind of character design for what I think I would be like as a Hogwarts student. So obviously I'm going to put myself in the Slytherin house and the uniform. And so I didn't draw like the whole uniform for this, I drew basically just like the tie and the shirt. And I tried to make this character look as much as me as possible, but it's kind of difficult to draw yourself. I don't know if anyone's actually tried. But yeah, I think it looks like me slightly, but yeah, anyway. So a little bit about myself as a Hogwarts student. I think my favourite class would probably be potions, because I think I quite like to do kind of not technical, what's the word for it, physical classes. Like because I'm an artist, I like painting, I like drawing, I like making things with my hands, so I think potions would probably be my number one class. I think that's probably what I'd be most interested in. And I believe my Patronus is a house cat, I think. I'll have to double check that, but I'm pretty sure it was a house cat. I did do the quiz a long time ago, so it might have changed, but I'm assuming that's what it still is. Or was it a stag? Or was it a doe? No, I think it was a doe because I'm pretty sure it was the same Snape's. Snape's is a doe, right? Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Yeah, I was right. Snape's Patronus is a doe, and I'm pretty sure I had the same Snape, so I can't remember what a house cat was. Where's that come from then? Maybe that was my pet. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was my pet. Yeah, so my Patronus is a doe, my pet is the house cat, and yeah. I'm pretty sure I would be part of the Quidditch team, just because I feel like I need some way to get my anger out, and that would be the one way without like actually using spells on anyone. I feel like Quidditch would probably be the best way for me to get my anger issues out. So yeah, I'd be quite a ruthless Quidditch player, I think. But yeah, I think I'd only play it in Hogwarts. I don't think I'd take it on to the outside world. And I think my favourite professor would be McGonagall. Absolutely love that woman. She could do no wrong. She could literally shout at me and I'd be like, I deserve that, thank you. Yeah, so I think I'd be a bit too afraid of Snape. He does seem quite scary, but yeah, I think McGonagall would definitely be my favourite, and the fact that she can turn into a cat is just even better. And I know Slytherin gets like a bad rep most of the time, but like I don't think I'd be a bad Slytherin or an evil Slytherin. I think I'd probably make fun of Voldemort, to be honest, and I'd be one of those people who's like, oh, I'm not scared of him, like he can come get me if he wants, like rah, come get me Voldy, and everyone would be like, you can't say that, and I'll be like, well, he's not here, you know. I think I'd be one of those little people. Just, yeah. And I also think, as much as I love Harry Potter and Hermione and Ron and all that, I think I'd get really annoyed with them if I was in the same year as them, or in Hogwarts around the same time as they were. I think I'd get really annoyed with them, like grabbing all the attention, like, oh, Harry Potter's the chosen one, good for him. I think I'd get really annoyed, and with Hermione being really smart and all that. But yeah, I'd love the Weasley twins, obviously. But I don't. If we were keeping to real life time zones, timetables, I wouldn't have been at Hogwarts at the same time as the core 3. When would I go to Hogwarts? I think I'd 2006. Yeah, I think that's when I was 11. I'm probably being really stupid. 2006? Yeah, it must have been, yeah. So I would have been in Hogwarts in 2006. And there we go, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and this collaboration with DewDropArt. Make sure you go check out her channel, and I'll leave all the links in the description box below. And just a little reminder that my Etsy shop is still open. I've still got a lot of Harry Potter art prints and stickers up for sale over there, and so make sure you go check that out. I will leave the links in the description for those as well, and I will hopefully see you on the next video. Bye!